We are starting quarter 4, week 4. Our learning target is I can find the mean, median, and mode of a data set. We have 3 new vocabulary words. Our first vocabulary word is mean, which is another word for average. The definition is the balance point for a data set, the sum of the data set divided by the number of pieces of data. Median is our second vocabulary word, which is the number in the middle of the data set that is in order from least to greatest, or the mean of the two middle numbers when the data set has two middle numbers. Our third vocabulary word is mode. Mode is the number or numbers that occur most often in a data set. Now we're going to go over an example. If you look at the top example 1 where it has data set, we have numbers 917550613. We have a step 1 would be to order the numbers from least to greatest. So if you notice that our numbers are not in order, so I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest. So when I put them from order from least to greatest, I'm going to start with 0, and I'm going to cross out 0. 1, and I have another 1, so I'm going to cross those out. Then I'm going to put 3, cross it out. I have 2 5s, cross them out. I have a 6, then a 7, and then a 9. Now my numbers are in order from least to greatest. I'm going to start now calculating the mean. In order to calculate the mean, my second step says here to find the sum. So that means that I have to go and add 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9. When I add up all those numbers, and you can use a calculator, I get 27. So now that I've added up all my numbers in my data set, now I have to count how many numbers are in my data set, because step 3 is to divide by the amount of pieces there is. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 numbers. So I am going to divide 27 divided by 9. When I divide 27 divided by 9, I get my answer as 3. So the mean will be 3. Our next one we have to find is the median. The median is the number that's right in the middle. So if I look at my data set, I have 0, 1, 1, 3, 5, 5, 6, 7, 9. So I'm going to start marking them off from the beginning to the end. So if I take away the beginning and the end, beginning and the end, beginning and the end, beginning and the end, I am left with one middle number, which is 5. So my median is 5. So your median is always the middle number. Mode. Mode should be the easiest one. Mode is identify the number that occurs most often. So out of our data set here from the top, let me click another color. Which number do we see it being repeated? So here we have 2 1s and we have 2 5s. So our mode would be 1, comma 5. So it would be 1 and 5 because we saw 1 2 times and we saw 5 2 times. So we have to put both of them down.